Hi everyone! We are now in the lesson 5 of Computing Fundamentals. In this lesson, you will learn how to obtain, install, manage, and configure software. You will also install and manage Windows apps and use messaging applications. Upon completion of this lesson, you should be able to describe the benefits of software, describe locally installed and cloud-based software, install, uninstall, prepare and update apps and applications, set software preferences, work with Windows apps, and use messaging applications. Why use software? While hardware is what makes our computers powerful and capable machines, it is the software or programs that makes our computing devices useful. The operating system provides an interface with the hardware itself, and software programs are what we use to get work done. Software programs enables us to produce documents and charts, solve complex equations, make online purchases, edit digital movies, and so on. Additionally, lightweight apps can keep us on schedule, remind us on appointments, or help us find our way to a location. Software and apps keeps us productive and empowered. To continue, let's discuss apps and applications. These are terms that describes the software we use to accomplish various tasks. Sometimes, it's difficult to distinguish an app from an application. In this lesson, applications or application software are complex programs you install from removable media or from the internet. Apps are small, lightweight programs you obtain from an app store. In Microsoft's terminology, applications are desktop apps, and the lightweight programs are Windows apps. In Lesson 5, we will work with locally installed software. Locally installed software is installed on a device and runs directly on that device. These programs are designed to work with specific operating systems and with hardware that meets certain minimum requirements. While cloud-based software runs on a dedicated software, not on your computer, and is designed to be accessed over the internet. You will learn about cloud-based software in an upcoming lessons. Let us have Office 365 as an example. It can be installed locally to your computer, and it can also be run on the office.com website. Before, there was only one way to obtain or get a software for your computer. You went to the store and purchased the software on removable media such as CD or DVD, and usually comes with a manual on how to install and use the program. Today, you have many options for obtaining and installing software. You can purchase a packaged version at a retail store and install using removable media. You can also purchase a license online using your credit card and then download and install the program. You can also lease software on a subscription basis, or you can download and install apps from an app store. When you purchase a software program, you are purchasing a license to install and use that program on your device. Some licenses allows for installation on one device only, while others allow for installation on multiple devices. It is your responsibility to ensure that you are complying with the licensing rules. The cost of software often includes future updates to the program. Locally installed programs are generally released in platform-specific versions, which is the operating system. That means, if you want to install a program on your PC, you must find the version of the software that is designed to run in your operating system. Additionally, because microprocessors are designed in 32-bit and 64-bit architectures, operating systems come in a 32-bit and 64-bit versions. A 32-bit version of Windows will run on system with either a 32-bit or a 64-bit processor, but it cannot run 64-bit versions of application software. If you are using a 32-bit version of Windows, you will need to install 32-bit versions of application software only. Let us examine the picture. It shows the minimum system requirement if you would like to install Adobe Photoshop CC. System requirements always appear on the software package if you purchase it in a retail store. If you purchase a license or other electronic means such as downloading from the software vendor's website, or the system requirements are also listed on the site, usually before you click the download or purchase button. You can see that the processor should be at least 2 GHz with 64-bit support. And the operating system is Windows 7 64-bit or Windows 10 64-bit. It is also required to have at least 2 GB RAM, but preferably 8 GB. Having the system requirements of a software, you should know if your computer can support it. If you are unsure of the type of hardware installed on your computer, you can go to the system settings. To do that, just right click on the start, then go to the system. Then, under the device specifications, you will see the processor, installed RAM, and as well as the Windows specifications. Once you decided which application program you want to use, you will need to purchase the program and then install it on the hard disk of your computer before you can use it. Once a program has been installed, it can be removed or uninstalled, modified, repaired, or installed as required. Note that a software license generally allows you to make a backup or copy of the original installation program. If you are downloading software from the internet, always save it to a designated location such as the desktop and scan it for virus before installing it. It is rare that software from a reliable vendor will have problems. However, if you download software from a site that is not the vendor's official website, there could be spyware or viruses included in the downloaded file. Let us have a sample on how to install a new program. Most software programs use installation wizards. So let's go to the desktop. I have here typing test setup. So just double click it. And it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So just click yes. And this is the start of the setup wizard. So just click yes. And this is now the license agreement. It is a requirement for us to read the following license agreement, and then you must accept the terms of this agreement before continuing with the installation. So after reading it, so just click I accept the agreement, then click next, and then this is the location where the software will be installed. So you can click browse if you have other locations that you prefer. If you are satisfied with this one, so just click next. The folder already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? So just click yes. And then here's the standard setup. So just click next. And then select start menu folder. So just click next. And then install. And now we finish installing the typing test master, so just click finish, and then the software will run. Let us continue the discussion. So how about repairing or uninstalling software? To do that, we can go to the control panel. So click start and then type control panel. And then go to programs and install the program. So you will see here the different software that is currently installed on my computer. To manage the software, so let us have Audacity. If you click Audacity, you will only have one option here, which is uninstall. While for the others, for example Camtasia, so I have here uninstall and change. Change means you can repair or change the installation of this program. Let us now configure the software. Let us answer question number 1. Add quick print on MS Excel Quick Access Toolbar. So first, we need to open Microsoft Excel. And then on top, this is where you can find the Quick Access Toolbar. So just click this arrow, and then you will see Quick Print. Alright, let us answer question number 2. Change the default font of MS Excel to Arial. To do that, let's go back to MS Excel. Then click File. Then below you will see Options. And under the General, you will see here, use this as the default font. So just choose Arial and then click OK. So this setup will only take place if you're going to restart the software. Let's answer question number 3. View the default file location of MS Excel when saving. Let's go back to MS Excel. Then click File, go to Options, and then under the Save, you will see here the default local file location. So by default, it's under Documents. Let's continue working with Windows apps. Similar to Apple and Google Store, the Windows Store is your gateway to apps, games, music, TV, and movies. Top picks or featured items are presented on the first page, and you can click or tap options that allow you to browse by category. It is very easy to find an app in the store. You can browse by categories and then afterwards refine what is being displayed and then search for a specific app. To download and install an app, so you just need to click or tap an app to open its detail page. It is very important for us to read the information first before downloading it. If you decided if you want it, so just click the price, or usually it's free, and then click the install button when it appears. Deleting an app is very easy. What you need to do is just click the start, then find the app, right click on it, then you will see here uninstall. There are many messaging applications available nowadays. First one is the text messaging. It uses SMS and MMS to send messages and multimedia content over a cellular network. To send a text message, You must know the cell phone number of the person you want to text. There are also non-SMS messaging apps. This bypasses a cellular carrier's SMS and MMS service, and you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data instead. Messages are free between recipients who have the same app installed. Examples are WhatsApp, Viber, and Facebook Messenger. There are many social networking sites such as Facebook or Google+, that includes built-in chat or messenger features. And accordingly, most instant messaging clients allow you to connect to and exchange messages with the people you know on social networks. Additionally, many instant messaging and chat clients are associated with online services, such as a web-based email account. This association allows you to log into your email account and launch the web-based chat feature from within your mailbox. This is an example of web-based email services using Gmail chat. So the Gmail chat takes place on Google Hangouts. Another example is Skype. You can use a Skype account or a Microsoft account for this one. So that's the end of lesson 5. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye!